triangles and congruent figures,
SAS.
yeah, that will come back a little bit. But this time, instead of being exactly the same, they're going to be similar. So they can be the same shape, but they're going to have different sizes. So it's like we took a picture and enlarged it or reduced it. That's kind of what we're doing. So how we start off this chapter is with ratios and proportions. It's a really nice way to ease into things. So let's just talk about what is a ratio. It's a comparison of two or more quantities. There are three different ways to represent this. First one is just a fraction, a number over a number. The second way is with the word 2 between your two numbers, A to B, 3 to 4. And then the last way is with a colon. And you should always simplify your ratio. So you always want it in simplest terms. So like, can you reduce it, right? That's all that means. So we have a little scenario here. A music store has 40 trumpets, 39 clarinets, 24 violins, 51 flutes, and 16 trombones in stock. Give each as a simplified ratio. So trumpets to violins. How many trumpets do we have?
40.
40. And how many violins?
24.
24. But then remember, we want this to be reduced. So what goes into 40 and 24?
2.
8. 2 would work, but there's a bigger one. 8. 40 divided by 8 is?
5.
And 24 divided by 8 is?
3.
Perfect. And your order needs to match. So since they put trumpets first, we have to put trumpets first, just so you know on your homework. The order does matter. Okay, flutes to total instruments. How many flutes do we have?
51.
51. Then we have to add up all of our instruments. I want you to take a moment to do that for us.
Including flutes.
Including
Yep, including flutes. 170?
We're in.
Thanks, Reggie. And I'll tell you, this one can be simplified. So think about what goes in 51, I guess. Not a lot of options. Is 2 evenly going to 51? Is 3?
Yeah.
Doesn't go into 170.
Yeah.
So 17 goes into 51 how many times? 3? And what's 170 divided by 17?
10.
Oh. 17 goes into both of them. Okay, an extended ratio is just a longer ratio. So it's a comparison of 3 or more numbers or quantities. But you can only write this one as A to B to C with the colons. So the ratios of the measures of the angles of a triangle is 4, 7 to 9. Find the measures of the angles. Well, do we know exactly what the angle measures are?
No.
We just know what equal part it takes up of that triangle, right? And how many degrees are in a triangle?
180.
180. But when we don't know something, we always assign it what?
A letter.
A letter, a variable, right? So I can say 4x plus 7x plus 9x has to equal
180.
180. How many x's do we have?
20.
20x. Divide out x equals.
9.
Now how can I find out what the actual angles are?
Plug in.
Yeah, just plug in and multiply out.
Yeah.
here at 36 degrees,
That's 63.
63, and 81. Pretty simple, right? Not too bad. Okay, try the next one on your own, see if you get stuck or not. This one's talking about perimeter. Anyone want to go on the board? Write it? I'm sorry, Dan. Yes. Everyone get x equals 4?
Yeah.
Perfect. Eight, 32, and 36, good answers. Perfect. Thanks, Braden. Good work. Now we have a proportion. What's proportion? It's an equation that states two ratios are equal. So do we agree that 1/2 is equal to 5/10? Right? Okay. So it's just written as A over B equals C over D. And you can cross multiply. You guys remember doing this? Take those 2 times each other and these 2 times each other. That's what we're doing. All right, so the first one's pretty simple to solve. So I'm going to take 4 times 7 and set it equal to 2 times x. What's 4 times 7?
28.
Divide out x equals
14.
wonderful. It's going to be a little different, so what do you have to do? Distribute. X plus 18 equals 7x. I want to say it's 112.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys. Bring my x's over, my numbers to the same side. We get what? 11x equals
94.
94. Get a decimal, but that's okay. X equals. Nice work, guys. That's the gist. You got it? Okay, we have a book assignment today.